Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to manage vendor relationships using ZOHO projects. The first step to manage your vendors is to create a new project. Once you've logged in, on the top right corner, click New Project. Enter your project details, select the vendors you're working with from the drop-down list, and then click Create. This is the foundation of your vendor management, as each project is a bridge between you and your vendors. Next up, let's set up tasks. Navigate to the Tasks and Milestones tab. Click on Add Task and assign them to your vendors. This step is crucial because it helps you delegate responsibilities to your vendors, ensuring everyone knows what they're responsible for. Now that we've done that, it's time to set up a communication channel. In the Forums tab, create a new forum for your vendors. Each thread in your forum can be a different topic of discussion. This helps us because it provides a space for clear and organized communication with your vendors, ensuring everyone is on the same page. The reason we do this next step is to keep track of our vendors' progress. In the Timesheet tab, you can see how much time your vendors are spending on their tasks. This helps us monitor the work done by vendors, understand if they're meeting their deadlines, and if the project is on track. Lastly, let's use the Reports feature. Navigate to the Reports tab and generate a project report. This report will give you an overview of the project's progress, including tasks completed, time spent, and pending tasks. The reason we do this is to have an overall understanding of the project's status, making it easier to manage your vendors effectively. And that's it. Just by following these steps, you can manage your vendor relationships seamlessly with ZOHO projects. Remember, effective vendor management is about clear communication, delegation, and monitoring. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next video.